wafre na one ache na said the dia meka no nyame enam counselor Oscar Sripi eso ebeboa yen na yenya anuye e de ama wasem bisa no ana ya find a solution to that problem of yours. Na ade ba ko ne se ofra en se obo udin baby a ofre fini kra no ode men kan no just go straight to the point na eka wasem ne ekire problem no just share that problem with us. Now edu Tuesdays say na aya na a serious business. Yes, the year ho adru ye de say ho yare enti enya gudi it is said the ana metai ka no e bia na wo de nyame aye wadom obi bia da na kwem we be say na boni bia ni fie asem bia nsi say asem ni fie so a yenkonwuram nkofa bi ma enti de ye din na etie keke but menfre said the beya wunua bi a owo problem etete no ama woda wona no obetimi anya akwanya no na ono afre because we say nipa ya na efre badwumedi no doso enti obi otimi hia wo bontin ba bi Jerry no problem bi o da bia me yese me frɛ na me dia to counselor ni me ya minya it is a no take that opportunity no na won so frɛ na de frɛ na nya problem bia na ye becha menua ka hunu se wa ha obi it is a problem bia ni wa wo die tie madam for man bi na ka kire me o se wokoto se obi etu obi fo a wo die tie bi keke ye din nefa tu kotodwem na on so fa bo bra wonye hwe enya ona ho aba asem se be nya ona ye twi wanim enya ona ye tufo but utie bia ebetimi aboa o going forward a bia na wakwa kwhia situation bia eye similar to the onipa akro na ye no esa se wadi kan nya upon that dentino obehu kwan ya de be fa so it will just sit back relax na etie ensem ahodo omanfo de beba no na wahwe anoyie na counselor so de beba no na won so de atoto abrabo no ho a so hate ase na odi tutu anamon kakra na de ko wani eno ano no etisa ena ebe no enti numbers to call 0302 216 561 afi 0302 216 562 from Jerry Justice we are Ofie Kwanso on Adom 106.3 FM for today Tuesday the 8th of October 2019 as down command production team no Papa Bills African and abidi den so ha na sadaka sien so koma black eye kwesi apia say onon so hwe akiri kakra mi twa me ho kakra yi of send the messages near the mahu bibia pamcho bebre and Tuesday the net dem fan chem because and serious business it mo fra mamon ka ada you know why oh yeah me my dear for the minimum find you what am me anya confessions no me side no ye be kan yes happy when you be na the be for abu na fina ajegu yankwa man so hello good afternoon. Good afternoon. Epacho, yeah, hey, sorry. Yeah, mo akwaba.
But when you just say account.
You, yeah, that's a pass. So abaso. Epacho, o problem no, eno, anything na fi inti.
The son me casa mo webe 13 to 11-13. Then be ana be o premier no Jesus 3. Did no o ma me fi na. Umwa amame se ebiba uku ai madam bi uku na bayo nti amra me yesa sana toge ni tiri nti ebia okọ amame mu fia tne lade tne dem
to boas you me ba o de omo ya omo se eye oyire na aba no wo se na ono wo fie be sen
no, 19. That's no 19.
Or no, about 19.
Oh, it's a possible.
Enti say obi ani ona no de wo akɔhye dem. Na wa twetwe bema.
Am I having many ama oh miss me bia say me masturbation ama.
You
be 4 years.
Me pacho say wo be how many years?
It's 21.
Oh, 21. And you are still doing it?
See, me 30 my mama my dad 1 year.
Be 1 year near the 1 year. And I say, who make you progress now? No, and
so you say me you big asset. My play man play. Yeah, you made in cafe and my week.
Do you say be as I didn't in my yes, Anna? No mum de intimi conclude say no mum de ubehia say medically ye be check you na ahwe e bia na ya de fufu bi but wadwen na ye o say yes ade na ma feel that way but wo ho a aya the edge to do that no mabiem
you say the any ba the be man na say imamre
obema ni mu ayemre
amre ba
no senso na adu say One oba hia na hu say emre na na say wa wo no
me oba hia ba ko pena me ntimi san ko bi
one oba da ba ko a hu sa ne oba ko a untimi nye bi mu o
debe
ja de achi okay Matthew asem na say why na time na o masturbate na unya be say ye ni wagya no na like on a daily basis and now weekly now you in bed do things
you are 3 times a day
3 times a day be masturbate
yeah mo ejimam kura come here my dear ejima na ko
okay mini aya to asem nti ye the better counselor ni why na ya hwe emo de bebo wow all right you find next caller hello yes good afternoon me pacho dum radio no na nkasa why hello bibia boko there
pacho
nice me pacho ye tie wasem
pacho me sumi dia no na masturbation na guy no kai the same apply to me
also there na masturbation
pacho was I think we class 3 now lady be enemy die and he lived in me die and I didn't start here and he since 2011 up to now they be I didn't bye younger some me sorry me prayers into certain now no go for catching and you be and na catching me be pastor up to now I didn't know what to say me bomb fire say mad
hello
bomb fire me wa na dia ba me wa na dia na ba she said nyame adom I check akwa mba ye ni ba mi wo na adwin bia ba mti na de na ba na ye mse menye enti mi ye bibia enye ye mi ye djuma bia enye ye
se no o person che se onipa no ne eda ni tina ma wo ye bibia e ho no menti ase papa
mba che because dana on me yes I know ni chen me satem no pono awutu nipa no yi by still on me die no o chi mi be ma hye na nu kra until me nyam bia mani njonti I think say since then into me work akra na ma bra me hunam na be me am yejima kakra na ma bra
ane sai on so kakra na so abre won ane na de no yakoyi but all the end there wo no said the can here said the wo ya asusu se bibi spiritual bi wo mu no oh too bad hey na ende ya mi bayi na I say masturbation yeah hadrin yeah in front next caller hello good afternoon
yeah good afternoon
abuja boko there
boko
yo me pa cho yenti won so
enye boko sa
ebe yi
me problem ni dia fa ban no eye teacher training and nurses training allowance no be baba ko nurses training na omuka say omuma allowances no but ni said ya no no we treatment na yenya
udi politicians ilayo we dey and who the idea Jamaji say what the quick see say oh asempa ho no o cross ko blue fu yana a hey the idea why yes strawberry a young fan next caller hello good afternoon the patrol bibia boko right already you know turning it down now they do no cry na en kasa why
I'll show you
my
feedback my broken heart by 7 years ago. Hello.
The patrol Ethiopia.
And due to that, no, na mammy ni walk on sooner. Then I be to mammy pressure shopping. It's only me jaya walk off my sister. And I'm a D or ya on the scope ma that guy.
Me bow. Oh, say Bemana or my broken heart no. And you jaya and our coffee or sister.
Family sister.
Family sister saying
extended family mommy sister yeah
okay
it's due to that no and I'm depressed so my guy way and then I'm in a and I assemble second one meaning wo be say why already sir and they meaning we have second one be 1 year time and I say there or donate different minutes
me bow Bema na ono so pe ono open so ma no
ni na wumi
na oni na wumi enu ba mo ware
ai say why ready so pe so ko no ma dia me na say me finish man biom odono ko ni o person ni me ya bi kra na the prince kra na nya makoma me finish oni mi have this me finish ni nim dia na
eh
because it's me money koye me ho ade so odom na ni ho biom mama na nkoye so I don't know
asem we die chese na ompenu in the first place na ede na open so ma na won ni timi wo ma mi nu
yes that see na ntisa minim de ntia afi
ashase na open no
ai
na den no ye nti na afi de open na atiko ayire yi
wa se da anya fi so minim de
ini aba o be mfie ese
ato December na menya 30
December year by no when you're 30
that's right
and now what 2 kids with somebody and the person is willing to marry you but also don't not to kunti say one prince ma na na say wo nya ne oko
that's right
now at age 30 year wa umienu so wa ma branch ya ware won so na yes anti say why no so be ba beto aso yi
eno ni asem lo
na me
say do time I be have research me to me feeling ya dani tokwa
okay me pacho me enhwe ni say be very honest to yourself, to us and to God. Obi animu ni pa kwa woka say is it that sexually say be man nti say de ote kan na ohia wo na na
fancy adi ba kwa ha mi say ono ye have research and the muta bante ebu ha mi tama ebia afe na me de neighbor no ne de na pa na wasole ko the calculana still on film ono wanya ni de na de na wasole ko minim say no na affect me ni de
nti ama ontimi satisfy us sexually right
that's right
sa de no de ya te wasem no why
okay
asemu ema no ya no mai mu ho adura na nyamia mu atimi agina so for a very long time because ebinim timi hwe omuzu yi 70 75 80 so still of fire but mema bi zunzunzu that is what they call kura photography I say light of zani adia so say anything new anyway hello
Brian Jerry Mpacho, good afternoon.
Afternoon, it's saying.
Yankofan Dumo, Mpacho na say.
Me ho ye pa. Right, me Mpacho with you.
Brian Jerry Mpacho ne how me pa no say. You do the two just private nurses are good few from 2013 to 2016 year 2013. So you posting by and say how me pa and Mpacho me do na kwenye so akacho. Minister of Health say me panic me sure na kufu adam e po show omumposi na private nurses here before
Mate
na kane hack
we
2013
you also ha no mo mu de but we no nhye dan ye but wo de wanya a carry message ni across a nti omo muti nati why nti yeah that's yamfa last caller na afi any counselor hello eba cho wa man so yen kasa why hello me pacho good afternoon me pacho ben yeah piece friends mouthpiece of the phone now use na yen tun kan why na I say kasa no wa chiri
pacho me ne be ma be na mami wuye na me ko fa me ni abai
be ma na one ne te no one ne te sesen wa wai na na wa ko
so worry me but I started to turn your man enti ya yes talk akwa bi a wa ya mami a me ni sika na bom na ye dia ye but say a de be ma ni ye die me hu de me kan de me ye bia so ne ye me tuni sika di ye bia wo fie my son in me na see change
unia me bawo hello be ma na onya ware na one neti no unia nso ete na ono mo nchen
ba jo eni me na wo ba ko ta ma me wo ss na me ne wo ba ko na de o ye ni se oni te mi wo ni baby a konti na wo yesa ba me
What's o mama ye den?
Mama free mu na me ko fa your last board by. Now o ye nten.
It say no uni obia sa na pati na papa nso e.
Papa wo krasi. Ba no me bache en se na jini se me ni baby a me kom se me paki me nyama sisi akra.
Okay, let's look at it this way. Say, be man na dream say oni baby a obeko. Na wo no wo baby a obeko de a. Any identity na wo go through this. Wo don ho hye sa nkwaso mu yi.
But the question na say my pretending to say me kwa. No, pa ma choka chento do me but in 1 month 3 months no I start starting yema.
Wow.
Eso wanyeshe mami na niye ni pipia. Be ya mami ni sex eno ano.
Why? Ebe ko yenim. Na ya ma counselor bem.
Ofie Kwanso with the man Jerry Justice on Atom 106.3 FM.
Issues but there be any day nyame
George first
it is why you be the amano na no ada na also dey betimi ayenne se na nru so a nyani da so se o china so e ho e friend of Bapa Christy 106.3 FM. Just about 7 more minutes to the top of the hour. 4. Fast that can say my proud sponsors. Guarantee Trust Bank Ghana Limited. Your 20-year friend GT Bank. Yes. Now Santa is already in town. Yes. for salaried customers of Guaranteed Trust Bank. And it's saying, we here a quick cash. Are the best sort out some few things. Tired of the long talk and all the hassle of paperwork. Yeah, the best just kakra project from the bank. Oh, worry no more. And a Guaranteed Trust Bank for newly introduced Quick Credit has got you covered. Now, with Quick Credit, Ubetimian borrow up to 100% of your monthly salary instantly at only 2% interest rate for 30 days. Yo, it's ready for 20. Christmas here by Jibina for short out to an year. So simply dial *737*0#. Now, what's selected? Payday. And we have payday credit. Yes, payday credit. Not for why I agree to the terms and conditions. I feel better when you know why and no one confirm me opinion. Not just a pronto, not demo. The requested amount, no. Now your credit near about a toy or GT bank account instantly. Won't pay up at the end. No long talk, no paperwork. Just dial *737*0# now to access Quick Credit. If you're a salaried worker, no sign you are to GT Bank, and then no new problem. So switch to GT Bank today to enjoy this and other amazing services. Quick Credit, instant cash, anytime, anywhere. The patrol for further inquiries and our details for 0302-611-560 and our free toll free 0800-124-000. Terms and conditions apply. Yankwa Manso na yene Counselor Oscar Sripi Eninkitown. Counselor, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Jerry. Today.
Yamiadom, me hoye pa, me jidi se wonso hoye.
Yamiadom hoye, me chubia o.
Ye na ye joso.
Papa ho.
Papa wa around.
Kase se me chiano pa.
O se o joso.
Kase se de me cheno.
O see you ati.
Papa.
Counselor, yeah, share from the very last one now.
I'm the way why you voice I have to sound.
Counselor.
They said Wako Jerusalem about. Mama license, fire. Them. Yeah.
Okay, yo, and see the very last caller no, you knew about no asem no, had drink akra. Ne maame afrim na abrante a ono ne wo na abrante ne ye ne ho ade e no ne nete na ne maame fim no e no kofa ono so ne nua esan be kan ho no ne abrante nete one abrante na wo baako a o mo plan se nkom be ware but na nsan bibi kitua bi ana be ma ne bu afu ne ade a di o se ohun se aye se be ma ne nim se oni ba bi a continue aye se o tete ne sa but o na adwen se o sesa ne mafi akonso a na be ma na panicho se omunsisi asem no monsan tena enso behu a enche bosome kra ma na wasan the same thing be my say otete na
me that see first of all no also worry nipa no and on the
yeah
what is even totally wrong and now wakofa ni nua so aba
yeah
okay maybe guy ni na accept say ni nua ni embra because the guy ni accept na bianca on penisa ni ya mbetla nje na osi ni papa wo ho ba ni papa we kra se antu na ni na betla nje no na dem ano ye ni bibi na o pese o kodia na wapa ni chow o je dem ano wonya no fu on je o ko ware no bo wo ye ka me bo a
pa chow
nti there's a way you teach her
yeah.
But the more fufu sadia and who titi ade ni how it is o tintem guni so na o se o kodi na pa ni chow advice am de be mo ba ni se o fi be ma ni nchen na se be ma ni donwa no me ware no oh so ye ware wa eni die bi wo ha ye be ma no ntimi mfa ma wo and that's how it is o mo nka onya ye na o te ni nchen and now to say oman ultimatum so okay me mount 2 months I'm a 3 months one yen one dear dear meko. That time you do not be man yen one dear. O feeling your party to sukra among Casano. Don't chill him. Don't copy the no in among Cotna. Oh, yes, sir. A baby and Beman in the bedbury. For Ben one day. For you know, guy, you don't know, so the warren. But the autumn in Channing Kinusono, sometimes, the energy to go and marry the person anyhow. Because you need a certain level of challenge, energy. You say so cool because Nippon in Chen, me person better in Chen, because of that, me don't. It may be a Namadia Warren. Oh, say, Jacob. No, don't reach you, no. It took him 14 years of his wages. 14 years.
Yeah.
I'm not doing Warren. It's a Bema Doba. I'm telling you, whatever that person will do to Magobe. If the old man not to make it okay, me more 3 months. And I'm me year and I did that. Me more up to the end of the year. So one worry me there, and the minimum you be finished, you be full change. And if the 7 months soon, whatever be the monk Casano. Now my bear money yes serious on February. Because them are the who finish your power for the means of person in it. But be because of the channel. And it's not a energy name, but feeling that in the beba. It's the old tea now what you worry. Don't go to them if you worry when you worry. You worry why you don't go to them if you call yes, I want. No, no, Marco, me, no, men, so if all forces all worry. Well, now I remember so. And because what 20 in China, what channel? Who will the energy mental, sir? But you worry what? You worry. On my beman at the end of the year. One worry no, Uncle Tambi, don't you say, Bemano? Uncle Cannon, me worry no.
Okay. Next one, no. Obeying such as a Bema be a breaking heart about best 7 years ago. But that time no being so a bonny plumo no so pen. Inti a bass Bema ni January if you cofa ni relative what you say ne sister Bati Muchi. And on also giving in ma Bema for now open no. Now honest Bema na uminu but Bema na an adwin senko peso ko en ho ade. Ba ono so say oni odom masa Bema ni biem. Na mente ase. Timi pian kakra na say bi enemu nsem ko yie no. O admit say Bema ni timi satisfy no sexually. Inti won ne dakra na say enini mu atenka bi ani wo sa.
Now upon what basis now they compare two of them or the cassette them no so now and also sexual satisfaction now the sexual satisfaction there go sex therapy and only them an entrance no one discuss it. Okay. You see sometimes this will happen because you knew be a dadan. We have the basis for comparison.
Yeah.
Yes. Said the end the animal na uni manana udi. Oko kan wanu be bia. Na be what I say compare. Now the other thing is for you know emotionally no. Oh, emotionally no. Only you won't feel saga no ni guy no. Because of the way of breaking you know. On be ni see no kofa ni kazi be ni whatever and until am almost separate you know.
Yeah.
Until the moment the two of you separate. Now go separate ways are emotionally no. Move away from the person. Go one thing and you don't heal yourself emotionally. Only them for namwa and only about for namwa. Because of your basis for comparison no. Bibi kakra o that way the nan control sexually no to me power but we don't to me. And now say break it from any relationship but whatever be the issue am breaking no. Go through a process of healing. Not healing. And so one enter into another relation. One thing here, not because me feel hamo. Me perceive me as really pain there by no. The quickly you jump to another relationship. One thing here, only the Panabernanti, mobile worry, but we need because the reason what they call in channel was for you to heal yourself emotionally. But if on your own you heal yourself emotionally, wow in your next relationship, and then you're able to see through and sit down and think through and say, okay, when I'm here and I'm warming, and I'm going to say, anyway, Jano, pain and I mean to me, and I way back when I'm a G2, and I'm the warrior. And for all you know, the reason why the warrior, yes or don't know. Yes or don't know. But because of that, at that time, at that material moment, that person was going through some emotional pain. If you break from any relationship, whatever be the reason, calm down and seek for help. Go through counseling from psychologists and go through a process of healing before you jump into another relationship. Other than that, that relationship no jump into it. So the warrior say, if they are having problems sexually, they are ongoing sex therapy. And that's only contrast. No one can want them sexually. No, we are a bad boy. I don't just a window. But I'm saying, say one emotionally, when you won't see the past relationship, when healing, not still, you are following that person who know you show. Oh, when I come, why not get bad boy? You are still after 7 years, you are still thinking about that person there. You can't move on, and for you to move on, emotionally, you must delete, you must let go, and hang on your marriage. So that if you have any problems in that marriage, you'll be able to resolve it. So you'll be out here. The moment you go through that broken heart, the amount of friend broken heart, to and go through a process of healing, so that emotionally, you move away from your past. Because if you don't move away from your past emotionally, it doesn't matter the person you meet when you get partner, because emotionally you are not healed. And if you don't go through and heal yourself, madam, if it's only about sex, go and see a sex therapist. You could trust it. Be a more experienced. Sometimes the man who are more experienced, and sometimes the man who are more experienced in the year. Be a open channel. So at the end of the day, there will be peace.
All right. Counselor, the entire media free as your buy and as a first two no in Aqua on masturbation, I'm say two no, so they all have one thing in common. Omuna so no to say almost 60 on Bemana a week. First one, they know, or 60 or bad cry. We are ultimate ye these are the action. Back on also share similar doctor. Into yam say the Indian person only any very short name say ya shed that extensively ya can't we want some yeah
with it until be a person about masturbation or come YouTuber no obe be or no on class no tuning na no one to know for but the man whatever uncle doctor
okay
yeah whatever it is about medical issues not doctor and handle man
okay and na counselor better was here na eja futuo kakra bi ta akire ade be man na ya sore so
asida nya media na abrabo na ye bonu bibi ameka e cause and effect nkofo bebre the new media grow in the name of marriage any relationship our young people be anko heaven. Nobody will enter heaven because now we're and Nobody. But one thing here, the issues of marriage. I want to repeat that. Because now Jerry, Madam Jerry, wife, but here, and Jerry. You won't go to heaven because you got married 2 years ago. No, it's not. But one thing here, the issues in marriage, I don't know why you never tell me, and that can give you problems one day.
Sure.
It is a warrior. You must know, say a warrior institution a covenant, a palm, a ordinary relationship. A warrior, a ordinary relationship is better. You don't marry than to marry and come out of it. It's very good to marry. In case the Papa Bible say 2 are better than 1. Who warrior, you get automatic favor from God, according to the scriptures. He that finds a wife finds a treasure, and that person obtains favor from God. Proverbs 18. But one thing ye no worry anyhow. That alone can leave you astray. Calm down. Not to be a usrunyame. Be usrunyame. Ope kunwa. The most important thing you be usrunyame. In case you be sorry you. Be usrunyame. To be sorry usrunyame. So that in the moment of challenge, you with me the issues finally, I beg you, time is running out. They started here until the end. Give your life to Christ. It's only Jesus that's the ultimate solution. Give your life to Christ. It is not just going to church, but have a relationship with God through Christ Jesus, our Lord.
Amen. Uchra also counselor. Nyame aduma next week. Yebesha.
Bye-bye.
Bye. So that was Counselor Oscar Sripi. And Adaroma, other confessions, brain. Yeah, trust the Asadama and proud sponsors. No, yeah, Drew so a Feco spray starch. Feco spray starch. Patro when you be where we a man a detour a very easy pie. The man will be on my on pay iron and cry. But if you try Feco spray starch, wow, back free for Nina. Oh, now, near there be our pest also. Good material and then he say for now the eye on the fast. I would rather not come pa. Spray starch papa. Now it cross some nice and pleasant fragrance be into the twat then we are share now one for perfume who cry massa. Oh yeah, okay. You know what I'm saying? Come on, cry. A dose woman two sprays where check and sana san. Feco spray starch, another quality product, Samara Company Limited. Now, one top secret is say, your fans are tired now, ocean, wash our bear 5 years, when you're near dada. We not the Feco goose to Yana and near sign of Monos and Rank one out on. Oh, yeah, you will bet me a try. They are available at shops and stores in supermarkets. How don't you know? Feco spray starch, I say, look sharp. As they do from Africa Diamond Cable Company Limited. Africa Diamond Cable Company Limited. I'm on my signal cables. Signal cables. Yes. I've been to their factory. They now me do who dream and I'm so wow. Charlie Ghana you push it, be push pa. They say hey on. Pa now fidie world class, you know. Equipment near their pa yet team no. Oh, Master Jai. And yeah, easy. They produce our cables way now right here in Ghana. Say a year conduit cable, flexible cable, PVC cable, armored cable, and now say data cable. And then they are coming now. Ubenya BFE signal cables for chain. Yeah, you produce now Ghana. Yeah. They are correct in sizes. Now it lasted longer. Sounds very affordable. What it to the Uncle crack the bomb when we are Debbie. When so the air share where there is so near conditions in the dia yet. It you are bossed near crown to say yet ya. And says basa. What I say. Now me coin I born come up can me remuasha and moon say, hey. Say and this wadi moon say bet me at this cables way above room or ECOWAS. Not all these countries need ECOWAS no. Omu here sa cables here on better the free Ghana. The whole certification be beer dem pepe mo start at a production be beer cost come. UPM Ghana Standard Authority for so aswe ya. Omu emu hwemu agiatum san so na Energy Commission for so agiatum say ampa. Correct pa. Enti anu ana se obia use signal cables. Yeah, Africa Diamond Cable Company Limited. Yeah, what Tema Community 7 between Tema Technical and our GTP. And our cables are available in all electrical shops in Ghana. A patch of phrase 050 90 40 709. Our 0303 309 499. Signal cables, the nation's cable. You don't want to say that I'm showing us name, my yetie. Ofie Kwanso so. Now, real quick, yen share as someone ye di etu for na wie na fe wie a yen fa Paul ne Silas so ento aso ema on. Shouts going out to you, Biggie. Biggie, be very fine. All right, so real quick, and then ask somewhere the A2 and home for no. What Professor Masem say? Life's journey is full of uncertainties, but be positive about it. You may not be able to control every situation and its outcome, but you can control your attitude and how you deal with it. We mentioned that because I say life's journey is full of uncertainties, but be positive about it. You may not be able to control every situation and its outcome, but you can control your attitude and how you deal with it. Obra kwantu ya yetui eniama bebre wo mu a yentimi hu a se niama bia ahinta wonya so shop se de besi se be eniama bebre ne betimi asisisi e wo yakwan mu nanso ni nyina mu no ese se yetimi enya opepa na yetimi ede bobra no ana yetimi ede tu sa kwantu ye da yanimu enya niama ebeba wakwan mu nyina ena ubetimi enya so tumi akase mepese we na mmra makwan mu ana mepese we na nsi wo mabrabom dabi nemom dia ubetimi aye ne se sa niema no ba wakwan mu ana bibi to e wakwantu obra kwantu aguso etu mu na kwan ya obefa so na sa de na ato wo no obe krakra no kwan ya obefa so na wayi afiri ho kwan ya obefa so na watimi akitekite mu no eno ne de wo so tumi enti ebetimi abase ene yeto omamwe wonni control se na anu ade so ya na ese ya tutufu mu na anu ade so ya na ese wo to credit go phone so masa sare na issue ya ti bi afiri mu ade a wo tesi out we wonni control bi aso wo koton kwan ebeto but now because once one say no you can adjust your lifestyle ebia can say na kasa tin ade they say once betimi adjust so what I say the be effect no enye too much on you eno ani asem me pese me ne echi ye de so aseda be man aboafo na emum sa bri no Paul and Silas ebrena so tie ba pe na che say ende Cowbank MTN na fe so Roma insecticide spray and Holland Motors. You behwe e de aseda no amon. Nemum sa bre de Paul and Silas ebre and ason. To Bonnie Music. Ampa yenimo na Paul and Silas obra no muguso bwa Matthew honka say confusion basa omienu ai bibio na sen na AC ko ade a reconciliation bi bebam na mo ato aso ayo de omu ye na se mpapamu ye ya ba ni ade yi sa na be kono a ene na opani kwa me Alan Dide obebo enchi mu amie hu de ko ene de ba
ya mamadwo makwaba e de ba Paul ne Silas dwumadi so Midian opani kwa me do ameti agaba kufie wa ablekuma Paul ne Silas ayonko fai sede esiatete na pansami tese die agita sa muako ene edu na Silas akote se opani bi tufo e wo radio so se sabo be ka wa no ofre ontumem enanti Silas adwene hunu se na brabo mu a wonkoso ye nyina efri Paul etifo asemi enukro bi wom ana se entesa edi anamo ena obetu
okay
miwa
na wana najua me juju me ho kakra na obobo pomusa over
yasem
over koko bi pona koko bi ntini ode ba
brem
over we dey anya bone kra ye wo krom over mintumi na o wontimi na mintumi na me da me na Madam no.
What I want na say
Over. Sala samene da dem de mintu mi o. Na sala sa wona na ada free bra mo bet na fia. Over sisi ya de sala sa sesa. Enti over. Me so sa kwa me da ha. Over odusumie kwa be kata me hwene akumi o.
Ona se me na wo kan disa.
Over.
Asame na wo kan disa no po.
Okay. Anya sam keto o. Me sure say obeto am poison kwa no.
Po, sho ka say ye.
Okay, me mintu mi na ho. Enti pesa me beda mo nchen wa ha. Hwe, me ni adaje kra ma sensensem we. Me David. Na de unim Paul ana.
Ye nim Paul na wo say bibi say so de Paul fa meto ye ni mu da wo.
Ogre. O adaje wo we ho me ni adaje me kwakoda.
Metimi ma na da ha enwumre.
Ogre.
Matimi wa.
Me worry me ne wontam nsa dansa eda. E ma ne mesa enwumre. Be se ne enko da. Oh, ofantimi nko.
Yeah, be an free. Abwano keni benti, ebi ane free the free oh, ya no e free the free. So we got to say ya no.
Erade, anyen bia mi ni ti dem ha, tun susum bia mi ni ti dem ha, etum bia anyen mi ti dem ha. Mama bra bon kodo, erade sam bom nsam, na sam bom pa ya. Kunimam, die, anyen die, beifo die, etum die, susum bon die.
Mimina, sala e bom pa se mimi hunu.
Ah? That is so be all me want to pay. And I dem kun pay. Me want to
me no bobi tu no. Me no bobi
pay. Die. Basam na kadan bom da mo adwen yiwe.
Ah? Enti dabio. O bom pa se de en. Wan susu ba ne te dem ha. Susu ba bi na ne te dem.
Me bom pa me mabra boy simi e ono fa ho be.
Sa
ho hyehyɛ me bom pa no ho da no. Ho hyehyɛ Erade. Hwɛ.
Fatili ho me amene te dem ha. Erade me buda bo ne so. Me da su da bo ne so. Me da su da bo ne so. Erade me da sok mortar. Me da do cement. Me kan do da ho. Me bo no ba.
Erade, mam so be so akakadul, osuru moko, osuru wisa, mapoto, me do go benche me ade me dan ne butu ho, me se no me agumfo. Erade me agumfo. Erade kunimam, die. Onya ni yama adwuma, die. Erade obwa.
Dede ofia. Oh, e dey asem kra nya. Oh. Hey, sunka we is am bata yes on babo me ni so.
Uluza kuifada me faru ne.
Mwe de do.
Oh, me faru. Me sa kuna yi haka ne.
Me meta radio. Na papa be radio no waka cha me de. Wa cha me mama ya ma bra babo kwe na me bo ho mpai. Me bo ho mpai obi so ntase.
Na da bi o bo mpai ya na o
Omo pay attention. Dede hunu kwa etwinim. Yenko nya omo. Kofo omo ni hwe.
So we got to say nya no mienu kwa. Emuza seba na san na mum kasa na no ye den. Ye ne bia na free.
Hey Silas.
Yes,
na bia ntokwa aden.
Meta me radio. No obi atumfo dem. Me ye dey ya ma babu besi me ye. Na ma tena me bo ho mpai. Asantase.
Sir. Utie radio. Hwan ya?
Oh, papa be. Councillor.
Councillor.
Oh, what to fufan? Afutu papa ite radio.
Sir.
Bibia onko ye wa brabo mbia ite ye obama ehuma be ya fa ho.
Na station ben sir.
Oh, Adom FM.
Omo yini ye den.
106.3.
Kinti time ben na ya oba. Time ben.
To me ba time bia wuti.
Sir. Okay, ene me sha
you know. Ene de me hu na semu. Salas. Akoka councillor yi. Ehun asempa achira depa ama depa nso na dwen se efi na ekoidie obitie no
enti said ye manu guso a meka no so wona ho kani wo ho na so you obi a kakra na ne buafu na wa tene ne nsa ede abọ wotena ho din san ha wo bekun nipa sa de wo hu sa wo betimi ene na fe so a ubejai enti se wo mpesa wo ba report no ama police na police fo ache no kra wone ne mfe so se wo
adepa
Mira.
Adiate best ni to radio ne ko pe bibina mindi.
Oh Mira na to bo ase na den na bo fon se me ya de.
Ha, adepa. Abosen.
Aduane ni sika so enya me.
Adepa. Kesa we se me kasa na so wanya no kasa bi ho.
Na Mira se
frako ma ba ko huma na ma medani na adepa. Me kasa na kasa bi ho. Enya kasa na mesi be si wani so.
Eye ma bre aden. Yo be ya so babo.
Ha.
We mi say de
Ne de wanya no me kasa na o ka bi adepa. Ha, adepa. Swa mi on be me to na ho. Se de me de men se me nku besi bi ya
bom me anya sa. O be bom me. Bom me. Bom me. We your boss me a be bom me na me show. De bia na so de wuni ma no o be bom me. No we tena won sa na me so na me hwe na me isu. Na wani age. Na akwa adwuma anya sa. Enne be bom me. Na me. O de o saka me me.
Me kasa na o ka bi.
Match watu.
Ha.
Ye be che watu o de me se fa.
Swan hwe o bi o je na o adepa. Mama me joya mo ha dwen. When e bought me eja kroma we me chao me jo so o de o dwan wi na ata na na jio za pantio na me hwe o dwan na do hu ahuru afi aga ya be kra ha no she kwai ko na ko dwan kro he adepa
o de fansa ka me
na de wa no ya de utimi kasa
he me che watu
sa o de twan me ko adwuma ba ma be to
me twan wo kona bra me twan wo
ma be to
ata adepa Silas.
Hey, me bonse modama. Me so fara na me hwe. Aya de
ko me. Na say me bom modin ya gira me na so kasa ne de ne wantumi afa ne san kam yo.
Ukuno ohufo. Na onyim.
Na say me ni tumi ye den a on.
Kakre.
Enya de ode ne sabe ka me. Biom. But Silas we de me dase. Enya counselor ya de bia metie ni program radio isu a.
Some me catch a bit na me him adinta misite. Cause I'm papa ni minyimen. Mete na.
Me dase pa na o de me.
Anymore. Fante.
Bufu sama kwa.
Ano pe yedi den. Me no kasa unte.
By force enye me kasa mete.
Me just say me no kasa unfi me.
Abante obi kan kan ko ne ja dede na jan wale.
Wan sika na gu ha no.
Wuskayo.
Ma first ka no.
Fa kwan sinema.
170 pesos.
Fa 70.
Me ko to oko.
Hey, ma fa tabo fam skama.
Me tabo. Fante. Tabo.
Benyi tabo.
Fante dokuno. Tell dokuno.
Me na fam fante dokuno.
Ai wona me frosa. Dia na be. Mo me.
Na bia ele ya no bia papa cha fe. Na mo lock wa she dem mo no mo basa.
Open no me. Na o tama mo skulu. O ni na be bossa.
Yo.
Monsieur Karat.
Yo.
Mimi ni ayi Jackie Chan. Ko Karat.
Yo.
Me bo.
Yo. Ja wa ya honda do. Ye wen yim da do na ye ho a. Ye wen yim da mo popo ma ye ho a ma so mo kwa tincham.
Ei. E die na sie. Abo Paul trim. Enkofu ayonkofa yi. Dia koduru nie. Ekwan a Salas fa so. Ama ne trim po. Abamu nie. Ocha. Oba de dum ye. Na dum bi dum ye nia. Aya. Ene hia na duro ni breso ampa. Midia ene opani kwa me do ameti aja ba kufie wa ablikuma. Ene de me na yi kura.
Force ne dey na de besi na esi no. Ye on hwe. Anyways, Enchibia na the Gators person so trust to the amount. 106.3 FM. Real quick, here fast like I say my proud sponsors on boy Emma earlier. Yeah, they asem we to you for no every war. MTN and they MTN Pause and Chill. Assign Abba back BM. Yes, with a bang and even brighter. This a man for me call holidays near there. Nan beaches near there. Champhony. And then social media news soon say yeah. Oh, Master Jai. Now we near there. Duania there can come home. And they Uba Benya Konya ATV riding. Come up on the desert. And I say Abia skydiving with all of Dubai's, beneath your feet. Not just all shed your cost will what I say, we know a experience worth living for. It is a way now, no person for free. And then so to me don't share MTN Pause and Chill Jumedi no emo we promo sonko crowd ho shemu a obetimi anya sa akwenye na ya fly wako pie mu Dubai na wa chile our branch say every botom what is it so just keep talking and browsing with your Pause mashup bundles say be obetimi winning an all expense paid trip to Dubai from now till the 30th of November 2019 so just dial *567# to mash up today and build points. You can also win Boss headsets, 4G devices, mobile money, KFC vouchers, shopping vouchers, and then extra incredible rewards every month. Hope as I will check it out. And I'll be send a check now. They are called 567. Yes, I'm so I'll be using MTN Pause app no. Now they are check out points and they know who they are calling their by MTN Pause. Just be terms and conditions apply. We there for you everywhere you go. The patrol and they are turn south for us about modern sell beba a Colland Motors for the right oil for your vehicle. Engine oil papa di be guka anum ene ye wo booster e wo ho ene ye booster oil ya efi Holland papa ka bia we use bia no the sun oil betimi dey agum from 0W20 to 5W20 afi 5W30 and a 5W40 ni na be available so any wo automatic transmission fluid meche ATF for all vehicles including CVT WS Destron so that's